G-Heart Music mga idol sa kanyang concert sa Adi Babing Gate kung saan mga idol kumanta po siya ng It Must Have Been Love. Panoorin natin mga idol at huwag niyo sana kalimutan mag-like at subscribe kay G-Heart Music mga idol Antidote Band. So let's go mga idol, panoorin natin. Daming tao dito.
Alright, one more time, come on!
Hello?
Alright.
Ayan na.
Alright. Yes! Thank you so much. Bye.
Oh yeah! Don't forget to like and subscribe sa G-Heart Music mga idol. Grabe.
It's to be loved. Thank you. But it's over now. Thank you. Lay a whisper on my pillow. Leave the winter. Thank you. On the ground. Wake up lonely. Stare in silence. In a bedroom. And all around. Touch me now. I close my eyes. I dream away. Thank you. It must have been love, but it's over now. It must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. The moments we touch, to the time I ran out. Make believe we're together, and that I'm sure
G-Heart Music.
by your heart.
Daming tao mga idol, oh grabe.
I turn to one
Lupit talaga nito.
like the teardrops in your palm. But it's a heart that takes pain and me away. It must have been love, but it's over now. It was all that I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's where the water flows. Come on, it's where
Grabe talaga ng G-Heart Music mga idol. Daming tao, grabe. Malupit talaga. Dinumog si G-Heart Music mga idol sa kanyang concert.
Thank you so much. It must have been love, but it's over now. It's all that I wanted, now I'm living without. Come on.
Halimaw ka talaga, G-Heart Music mga idol. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sa YouTube channel.
It's where the wind blows. Thank you. Kung pwede ko lang pahabain yung kamay ko.
Grabe. Narinig po natin ang concert ni G Heart Music, mga idol, sa Benguet. It Must Have Been Love. Iba na talaga si G Heart Music, mga idol. May pangalan na talaga. Grabe, ang daming tao, mga idol. Ang lupit mo talaga. Grabe. Nakaka-amaze po talaga si G Heart Music, mga idol. Please don't forget to like and subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel, mga idol. No, around 245 na po siya, mga idol. Grabe! Amazing! Napakadaming tao. Iba talaga ang G Heart Music, mga idol. Plakado at talaga masasabi mong the best. Kung kayo dyan, mga idol, ano masasabi nyo sa kanyang performance, sa kanyang rendition? Na-miss ba kayo sa kanyang concert, mga idol? Please comment down below, mga idol, para ating pag-usapan. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating video, pakishare naman, idol. At don't forget to like and subscribe sa YouTube channel G Heart Music. Maraming salamat, mga idol. Yan ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Halimaw talaga. God bless, mga idol.
I tried so hard and got so